1. Add vinegar to warm water. As another alternative to help clean your hair combs, you can add vinegar instead of shampoo. Pour a half cup of vinegar into a half cup of warm water and mix. 2. Soak your hair combs for 15 to 20 minutes. Vinegar acts as a natural disinfectant and will allow your hair combs to become free of dust, dirt, and germs. Soak your hair combs in the vinegar/water mixture and allow the dirt and hair product build up to loosen. 3. Rinse your hair combs thoroughly. After soaking, rinse with warm water. You want to make sure the vinegar mixture is completely removed from your hair comb surface and bristles. 4. Dry your hair combs on a towel. Pat your hair combs dry with a towel. You will immediately notice how clean and fresh they appear. Allow them to dry overnight for the best results.